Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I created this photo, which I've entitled For Mandalore. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. As usual, I'm using Star Wars The Black Series figures. We've got Bo-Katan Kryze and a Death Watch Mandalorian, Koska Reeves and Axe Woves, Bo-Katan's comrades shown in Season 2 of The Mandalorian, and two Riot troopers. The KX Droid wanted his chance in the spotlight, but he's been relegated to a background spot in this photo. To start my setup, I placed this cube built out of PVC pipes on my ground surface. I used to use this as a part of a light box for product photography, but these days I find it's handy to string up and attach flying characters to. Next, I set the stage with chunks of concrete and decorative moss, which you can buy from craft stores. With the stage set, it was time for the action figures. Bo-Katan is my main subject for this shot, so I placed her front and center. Next, I placed the Riot troopers to either side of her to frame the shot. After that came Bo-Katan's backup. I used fishing line to hang my Death Watch Mando from the PVC tubing. I also added a defeated KX droid in the background with some small LED lights to mimic the shine of the light from the Mando's jetpack. To complete the scene, I added a couple of TIE fighters in the background. These are from Jazwares' Star Wars Micro Galaxy Squadron line of toys. Lastly, I turned off the room lights and turned on my TV. So here's my starting image. As you can see, I had a whole lot of editing to do to get to the final image. It was a long and arduous edit, so I'm just going to speed through it as quickly as I can here so as not to bore you. My first task was to combine several exposures into one. I did this in order to eliminate the background glare, the figure stands under my TIE fighters, and to achieve the exact levels of focus I wanted to see. After that, I made a series of adjustment layers to fine-tune the color and lighting, and then I spent way too much time messing around with custom brushes to create all these special effects. At this point I thought I was finished, but after leaving the image alone for a week I decided to come back to it and refine some of the rough edges. And after many hours of work in real time, here we have the final image. Where we started, and where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time.